So brand new espresso machine, just new out of the box, and no ability for water to come through. Here's an initial test. It pumps no water at all. That's following the instructions of everything in the box. So I'm going to try a test that I found on YouTube, because there's meant to be an air pocket or an air seal down here that is what's called primed, or needs to be primed, or I don't know. I'm not a coffee machine expert. This just needs to make my coffee with these little things here, which is not currently occurring. So the test on... So what to do was effectively to force air down into here first, using a Ziploc. Yeah, what? Okay, so the theory was Ziploc bag full of air, that's not as easy as I thought. Oh, and then it popped. Okay. Ziploc bag. Which is popped again. What the f***? Ziploc bag, airtight. Okay. Okay, now it's meant to force air down through here where we turn the thing on. So let's get ready for this. And it's going to pop again. Well, that didn't work. We'll try with less. Try with less water. One last shot. I don't know why I have to do this with a new machine. That almost did it. Oh! Look out! But now we're out of water. Alright, let's fill up this. Okay, stop. That's done it. You beauty. Not as easy as YouTube though. They're not blood split, actually they might be blood. There we go. Whoosh! Ho-ho! Have at you, coffee. Have at you. Actually, screw you, Breville, for selling me something that I need to do that with. Anyhow, today's Lama tips. Pod coffee machines. What a hassle. Right on.